let's go through Portuguese language, Português, and pick out the Lord's Prayer in Portuguese. And this is the home page of Portuguese. We'll do an instruction game, learn step by step. This is the home page of Portuguese, Português, and we will go to Jogos de Instrução. Let's see, instruction games. And from there we go down to aspectos culturais, cultural aspects. And we pick oração do Senhor. Oração. Okay, let's see. So there's different types of instruction games you can do, but we're going to go through and just do the first one. But here I just want to see there's different things you can do to try to get help to get the Lord's Prayer inside of your mind and thinking. But let's go through step by step. And we have here, I was going to say I really don't know this, I don't know it by heart. But we have a list here. This is the Lord's Prayer. What we'll do is we'll kind of review, I'll read through it. Again, accent-wise, depending on where you're coming from. If you're in Brazil or Portugal or Africa, in a country that's Portuguese speaking, or anywhere else, the accent could be different. But we're not focused on that here. This is just let's try to review the Lord's Prayer and get some practice with it. So I'm going to read it in how I say it, but when you're with your people or the place you're at, and if you're in church, I'm sorry about that, I hit the mic, but if you're in church or you're somewhere where this is being said, outside on a gathering or something to that effect, that's when the accent that you need and the things that you need will come out and match to what you know. So this is just becoming familiar with it. Let's see. Pai nosso que estás nos céus, santificado seja o vosso nome, venha a nós o vosso reino, seja feita a vossa vontade, assim na terra como no céu. O pão nosso de cada dia nos dai hoje. Perdoai as nossas ofensas, assim como nós perdonamos a quem nos tem ofendido. E não nos deixes cair em tentação, mas livra-nos do mal, do Christ Jesus our Lord, porque teu é o reino, o poder e a glória para sempre. Amen. That was just okay. That's something. Let's go through and let's just see what we get. Silent one. Pai nosso que estás no céu. Feita vontade Amen. Amen. So here we're just matching 1-to-1, and we have flashcards beneath if we need them to help us. But what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to try to do this without the flashcards. At least that's the approach I like to take. And just match what we know. So amen, amen. Dia, 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 dia. Cause I know that from bon dia, bon dia. Let's see, terra, 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 tame, tame, cada, cada, feita, I don't know how I know feita, feita, porque, santificado, santificado, o vosso nome, okay, vossa, vossa, vosso nome, nosso, okay, porque teu é o reino, o poder e a glória para sempre. Okay. Perdoai as nossas ofensas, assim como nos perdoamos a quem nos tem ofendido. Ofendido, ofendido. Livrai-nos. Okay, perdoamos. We're not really trying to remember now. We're just matching. Nos, seu, us. Bam. Oh, okay. Now we need to find, fill in the blanks. Wow. Okay, perdoai, us. I'm going to pick this one first. This is the easy one. Nosas. Okay, perdoai as nossas. Is it us? Oh yeah. Perdoai as nossas ofensas, assim como também. Is it também? Assim como. Hold on. Perdoai as nossas ofensas, assim como nós perdonamos. No, let's see, nós. No. Assim como. 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 Wow. Como perdonamos a. No. We can use the. Oh, I said nos. It is nos. Nos with the accent. Como nos perdoamos a. Quem. I'm trying to remember what it was. Perdoai as nossas ofensas, assim como nos perdoamos a quem nos tem ofendido. Nos tem ofendido. Okay. Wow. That's not easy. Perdoai as nossas ofensas, assim como nos perdoamos a quem nos tem ofendido. we got that one. Okay. Oh, wait, I'm clicking here. This is ofensas, como perdoamos a perdoai as nossas ofensas. Tem ofendido ou ofendido. Seja feita a vossa vontade, assim na terra como no céu. Feita vossa vontade, perdoai, forgive us, seu, terra. Oh, this is easy. Perdoai, cair, cair. Em tentação, mas livrai-nos do mal. This is the step by step, so this is giving us, okay, step by step, each piece. Porque teu é o reino, o poder e a glória para sempre. Okay. We're going to finish up soon. And everything I'm doing, whoever is listening, you're able to do this too, or someone else can do this to practice. Para perdoai as nossas ofensas. Yeah, this is really step by step. De cada dia. Hoje, santificado seja o vosso nome. Santificado. Pai, name. Pai, você tudo bem? Oh. Perdoai. Obrigado. Tudo bem. Let's see. Seus seus venha oração do Senhor, oração. Oh, now we're getting a little bit deeper. Okay, let's see. So we need to perdoai a nossas ofensas. We need to match what we see. Perdoai as nossas ofensas, assim como nós perdoamos a quem. Oh, we've done the whole thing here. A quem nos tem ofendido. Thy will be done. Seja feita a vossa vontade, assim na terra como no céu. Seja feita vossa vontade. Wow. Oh man. Okay, we'll go through some of this, then I'm going to stop. Amen. We see what can be done here. Okay, this is getting into the whole thing here. I am going to, in la oración del Señor, I'm going to stop there. And yeah, wow, we have some practice. Perdoai a nossas ofensas. Yeah. There's other games we can play if we're interested. But that's it for now. Okay, bye-bye.